Aromas help create the memories that last a lifetime, and P&J Trading's premium line of fragrance oils delivers a variety of scents that capture life's best moments. Christmas wreath, chocolate chip cookie, cotton candy, and lotus blossom are just a few of the many aromas you can have at your fingertips. Our unique fragrance oils are highly concentrated, phthalate-free, enhanced formulations ideal for everything from crafting to body care to home care creations. They can transform the mood in a room via diffusion, make soap a sensational experience, or help you create slime and take fun to a whole new level. And our new DIY kits come with everything you need to handcraft your own custom lotion or Castile soap. P&J Trading has created over 125 premium fragrances, which come in 10, 30, and 100 milliliter bottles. Our most popular fragrances are also available in sets of 6, 14, and 28, which gives you extensive selection as well as the ability to make valued gifts to share with loved ones. Now you can customize your home environment and create lasting memories quickly and easily with P&J Trading Premium Fragrance Oils. We bring the world to your door.